Hello everyone. Today I'm doing preparation for makeup. So getting ready my skin for makeup. Before we need to clean the face and remove the dirts out of our pores when it's stuck into the your pores. So you need to clean up with mm, a cleansing milk. So I'm going to do that now. So stay tuned for this video. I'm going to use the L'Oreal one cleansing. This is really nice cleansing milk, fine flowers. They have the, I really like the smell of this uh, rose petal and jasmine it says, but cleansing this is really nice. I really love it. So I'm going to use the one pump of this much, and then rub on my fingers. Preparing. It smells really nice. Just doing little light massage. Whatever remove whatever impurities into the your skin is there from last makeup, so it removes really nice dirt. I haven't used any makeup yesterday. Everybody's staying at home for COVID-19, so okay. My skin is already oily, so I'm using the cotton ball, and you can see a little bit dirt on it, just a little bit, not that much. So after cleaning my skin, I'm going to use the half of the cotton pad and use the Garnier Active Refreshing Toner. I really love this smell, and it is 96% the ingredient they use. It's really paraben free, and it's aloe vera. It has with the aloe vera juice in it, and it says like paraben free, dyes free, and silicone free. So just like pat on your skin, your nose. Usually when I using everyday daily, I'm going to do the one video as well for the daily routine of my skincare. So whenever I go to sleep or whenever I wake up in the morning, I do same thing, but I don't use a cotton ball or cotton pad. I just take on my fingers and hands palms and just rub it, and I just pat on my skin. So that is also useful. You save your toner or whatever you're using, like even cleansing milk, people use a cotton ball and just clean with a cotton ball, but I like to use my fingers because we absorb that product in your skin, and so not to wasting that much products into the cotton ball. So that's the very useful point for you guys. So after toning, I'm going to moisturize my skin. It is I'm using CeraVe SPF 30. Yeah, it's a facial moisturizing lotion, and it's normal to oily skin, but whichever is good for you guys, you can use it. So I'm using this much, one pump, and just see. It's really necessary to use moisturizer with the SPF for day-to-day life, because even we are in this not outside at home, it still affect our skin. Sun rays or light comes through, so it's protect our skin from the damage. So use for your remaining product on your neck also. Okay, so this is it for the my screen preparation video. And like suggestions for me, you can give it underneath down there. And please do not forget to subscribe and like me. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Bye, see you.